guys, welcome back to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today I'm going to teach you how I like to preserve lemons. I always have extra citrus laying around in the house because I use it in everything. We make lots of fresh orange juice in the house. Even though I'm teaching you how to do lemons today, you can do this with any citrus. I'm going to show you what I do to save the zest and the juice so that way it can last for a long time in the freezer. Now, we did this at the restaurant. That's how I know it works, because we did it for 10 years. Now, the first thing I do is I zest them. Now, once you juice, you cannot get the zest off, and it is a shame. You could also juice this and save the juice, but it is a shame to get rid of all that flavorful zest, because lots of times most of the flavor is in the zest. So I always begin by zesting them. So I just lay a piece of parchment paper on a work surface, and then I go to work with the microplane, and I just zest all of the bright, shiny part of the lemon. And when you get down to the white, you don't want that because that's bitter. So once you're done zesting the lemons, you want to spread them out a little bit. You don't have to worry too much about them being perfectly flat because they are going to be moist and they will stick to your fingers. And then you fold the parchment paper over. Just like that. I just like to label it lemon zest. And then I just pop it in a freezer-safe bag, seal it, and then I have lemon zest ready to add in recipes whenever I need it. I just keep this in my freezer, and then whenever I need some lemon zest, I just open it up, break a piece off, and put it back in. Now I'm gonna juice these lemons. I like to store the juice in these little ice cube trays. I've measured it out, and 2 ice cubes equal a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, which is usually what I use in most of my recipes and like dressings and marinades, so that works out perfect. Once they're frozen solid, they're gonna be beautiful little lemon cubes. You can put these in freezer-safe bags and just label them and just put them into sauces or pasta or rice or anywhere you would need some lemon juice. And then this is what the lemon zest looks like once it's ready. It's perfect. It works just like fresh, so you could just put this into any recipe that calls for lemon zest, and that's it. You'll never have to waste lemons again. And that's it. That's how you preserve lemons, limes, grapefruit, orange, any citrus that you have laying on hand. Now, I am gonna say that if the lemons started to become wrinkly and almost dry, just go ahead and throw them out because they start to just get this like really bitter flavor, and you don't want to put that in any meal. Just save them before they get to that point. If you want to learn more tips and tricks, let me know in the comment section down below, and thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you on the next one. Yes,